Maharashtra could be moving towards tighter regulation of social media speech. More than a decade after the Supreme Court struck down Section 66A of the IT Act, the Maharashtra government is now considering a new legal provision to deal with defamatory posts on social media. A state government committee has recommended an amendment to the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS. The proposal is currently being examined by Maharashtra's Law and Judiciary Department. The recommendation is currently with Maharashtra's Law and Judiciary Department. If cleared, the proposal would need to go through the state legislative process. Because the BNS is a law on the concurrent list, a state amendment would also require further consideration and presidential assent. The Supreme Court, in the landmark Shreya Singhal case, struck down Section 66A of the Information Technology Act in 2015. The provision had criminalized sending certain online messages deemed offensive, annoying, or objectionable. India's new criminal codes were enacted, replacing the Indian Penal Code framework. The BNS subsequently came into force in 2024. A Maharashtra government committee recommends using the BNS framework to specifically address defamatory social media content. The distinction here is important. Maharashtra is not proposing to simply bring back Section 66A. Instead, the state is exploring a new provision under the BNS. But the constitutional question will be critical. Any law that criminalizes online speech will have to balance protection against genuine defamation with the fundamental right to freedom of speech. The proposal is still at the examination stage. So, for now, there is no new Maharashtra law criminalizing social media posts. But if this proposal moves forward, it could set the stage for a fresh legal battle over the limits of free speech in the digital age. For more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. Maharashtra is looking at a new legal provision to deal with defamatory posts on social media. In fact, a proposal is being examined currently by the Law and Judiciary Department to amend the current Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is the BNS. Maharashtra do say that they still do not have a law where social media users can face criminal charges for any defamatory posts that they do online against public figures or any political parties or any other post which can bring in defamation or legitimate criticism. Now, what we understand that after this is examined by the Law and Judiciary Department, it will further face legal scrutiny. And if this amendment becomes a law, then this could directly impact the free speech in Maharashtra. It could also be very significant because this will have an impact on how people currently deal online, especially the social media users in Maharashtra. With video journalist Om Prakash, this is Disha reporting from Mumbai for WION World.